Hi, thank you so much for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to dive into our ecosystem inside of an individual Rally environment. I'm logged into our demo user account and I'm going to click on the Volunteers of Community 10 Rally. The Rally is where the day-to-day communication and collaboration will take place for each group. Members of the Rally can also share communication within the Rally, and Rally admins will have the ability to monitor and manage that communication. One of the amazing things about Rallyhood is that there's no limit to the number of people who can be in a Rally. We have some clients with rallies for as few as 3 people, while other rallies have members in the thousands. As you can see in the header menu, there are a number of collaboration tools to share information and coordinate events and activities. The navigation toolbar includes message wall, calendar, special events, quick event, gallery, files, links, signups, members, and gift. Please refer to each section on our Rallyhood user guide for more information. Navigating back to your dashboard is very simple. Click on the Rallyhood icon in the corner here. And voila, we're back at your dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience here on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.